Well, hey guys, Scott with BWSR Bushcraft here. Today is, January 18, 2023. I'm looking at planting some elephant garlic. Am I too late? I originally bought the cloves probably back in October. I could not get them in anywhere. I didn't have the box built. Other things were taking up my time. And I got those things all done and out of the way. You know, kind of once they're done, they're done. So from what I've been reading, it says under certain conditions, whatever that is, elephant garlic can be planted all the way up through February. So we're in the middle of January, so I'm going to do it. I just want to get these cloves in the bed, and we'll see what happens. So I want to show you what I'm using for soil, okay, because it's what I happen to have. I've got some soil that I made up. It's been sitting around for probably about 3 months. It's topsoil mixed with peat moss. It's got perlite, bone meal, what else? Blood meal, and I think I can't remember what else. Okay, I've got some vermiculite. I got some worm castings. Okay. And I've got some leaf mold, man, that I harvested probably about a month ago. Check this out. I got a cattle tub full of it left. Man, isn't that nice? And I got a ton of it left under all these leaves around here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix this all up. Now, what you're seeing is basically pretty much 3 even piles except for the worm castings. That came out of the bag because I don't have enough from my own worm bin to fulfill this. It says generally a third part worm castings, to 2/3 soil. So I don't know how it's going to work out. So the box that I have is a 3 by 3 square by 5.5 inches. That's equaling somewhere by the calculations I did of 4 cubic square feet. I think it was. So a 5-gallon bucket equals right about 0.7 cubic feet. So if we take 0.7 times 6, it gives us right about 4.2 cubic feet. So hence I got 2-gallon bucket, 2-gallon bucket, 2-gallon bucket. I'm going to get this all mixed up, and then we'll put it in the box and see if the calculations were right. Now there's going to be some shrink once you water it in, but we'll see. We'll see. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so check it out. We got it all mixed up, got it put in the box, and it looks like our calculations were right. Right about 4.2 cubic feet to fill a 3 by 3 by 5.5 inch box. The way you get that is you've got to measure your square foot of the box, 3 times 3, 9, and then you got to add in the depth. There's a real neat little calculator that I use that I get on the phone, and I will see if I can link that in the description box below. Okay, it will sure make life a lot easier when doing this. So I'll see if I can link it. If you don't see a link in there, just know that I couldn't get it in there, but I don't see why I couldn't. Okay, so at any rate, the next step is we're going to go get the bulbs. We're going to put them in, and then we're going to water it in with some fish fertilizer. So if you hang tight, I'll be right back. Well, going to plant these at 4 inches. So just using this little handy dandy thing. I like these little tools that make life a lot easier. Builds efficiency, efficiency builds speed, and congruency, very important. So I have 8 bulbs. So we'll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We'll just leave that one open for something, I don't know. All right. All right, so I've got 8 bulbs, and so I got 8 holes, and now we're gonna just kind of drop them in, cover them up. Gonna put them in with a full armor on, pointy side up, and I think I'm gonna put. I think I'll see if I can put all the big ones up front here. A bigger bulb, bigger plant, right? The sun comes here. Let's see if we can. And all right, get rid of that. And how come it always seems like you don't have enough dirt once you try to put it back in? Nothing's going here anyway. All right, so I gonna water this in. Got 2 gallons of fish fertilizer here. Just water this in really good to get it started. Soak it down. This is what's cool about having this type of a raised bed set up. You know, kind of the square foot garden concept is you know where everything's at. You know, so you just put things where they need to be. You're not guessing. All right. All right, guys. Well, that's it. We've got the elephant garlic planted, and we'll wait and see. I've done everything I can do. got the box built, good drainage, as alive and thriving soil as I could possibly make with what I had around here for them, and got them planted at a 4-inch depth, and we'll see how they do. So, any rate, yeah, let's see, what is today? Again, January 18th, 2023. So I'll get a placard and stick it in here with the date we planted it and see how it goes. But that fish fertilizer, get that thing started. It'll rain, and we'll just take it from there. All right, guys, thanks for joining me on this short little adventure. Till next time, pack light, pack tight, stay hydrated.